What's up, guys? It is Thursday, March 15th, and I just received my Gamsol in the mail, so I'm gonna actually be unboxing this really safely with scissors. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, here's our chick we've been working on lately. What do you guys think? You guys like her? I do. I'm excited. Let's open this. Opening the box. Okay, what do we got here? What do we got? We got a return form. Okay, well, hopefully I don't have to return it. I don't want to have to. We'll see. Got some bubble wrap. The big kind. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm obsessed. Oh, look at it through the light. It's beautiful. Okay, what else we got? Oh, heck yeah. This is why I paid like $20. Look how big this is. What? It is the 33.8 fluid ounces. Yeah, I needed this. It is the 100% pure odorless mineral spirits. Standard for studio safety. Anyways, that's what I got in the mail, and I just wanted to show you guys. So let's just ooh, Jerry's Artorama. Thank you for your order. Free shipping. Coupons are great. Yeah. Okay. I had no reason to throw that. I just wanted to. Guys, look at this beautiful plastic on this bottle. I don't know why that makes me so happy. They just really thought about it. They were like, we don't want this to spill. And I love that about them. And it's just so satisfying. Listen. Satisfying. ASMR. Alright, let's cut this open. See. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Just, you know, already knocking it over. That's a good sign. Okay! Yay! I actually have clean Gamsol again. Fresh and new and clean and beautiful. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Okay. Wow. Holy cow, guys. Sorry. Oh! Holy cow, guys. So I've got a lot done today already, and that plastic's really loud. I've gotten a lot done already, and it's kind of just now starting to be afternoon. Like, I've already had lunch, but before that, I actually got a lot done. And you know how? Because I planned my day really late last night. The night before. Wow. Sentences. They're not coming together for me today. But anywho, I planned today out last night, and I've got, like, I'm a little bit behind schedule, so I shouldn't really be vlogging, to be honest. But, let's see. But, just, I got all of that stuff worked on, okay? And, yeah, I'm just excited. I'm excited. I am a little bit behind schedule, like I said, but it's not that bad. And I can put this in here, in its little spot. Why am I insisting on vlogging this? You guys want to see up my nose, right? That's what you want. That's what you came here for. Okay, going in there with the other supplies. I hope you love your friends. I hope you love all of your friends. Yes. Okay, anyway. What have you guys been up to? Like, I want to know. I want to know. This is what I've been up to. These paintings. That painting back there. Can you see it? Can you even see it? Oh, can I even zoom in? Nope. Come on, camera. That was the most professional zoom job I've ever done in my life. Okay, what am I doing today, the rest of the day? So, I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done, but I've got to do a blog post. I've got to upload the video. The video, Medibang Paint video, is uploading right now. I have a break scheduled, so I might have to work through my break since I'm a little behind schedule. I got to post to Instagram and Facebook. I'm supposed to work on the paper doll for an hour. That's at 3, which is in 30 minutes. But yeah, so I guess right now it's blog post and uploading the video. So I gotta make a thumbnail for it. That's part of the deal. So that's what I'll be doing. But I gave myself 30 minutes to post to Instagram and Facebook. So if I can shorten how long that takes me, that will help a ton. I've already posted to Patreon today. I've actually sent out an email newsletter. I'm so proud. It's been months since your girl has sent an email newsletter, guys. It's been months. So I did that, and I checked my email. But man, yeah, that email newsletter took me most of my morning. I mean, I've got Mini Bang Paint video, Patreon, email, which was checking my email, and then the newsletter thing. So yeah, that's what I did before lunch. Then after lunch, I cleaned. This is so glamorous, you guys. I cleaned the toilets and sinks, like, OMG. Been a little behind on that lately, so I did that today, which was good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna work on my blog post right now. Do I know what I'm gonna write about? No. Someone save me from having to write this. For some reason, it's become really just hard for me to want to do blog posts and email newsletters. I'm not really sure what's up with that, but it's a problem that I have, and trying to work through it. But yeah, planning everything out the day before is really helping me today. Just wish I could have stayed on task. But tomorrow, I've planned my day for tomorrow as well, and it looks like it's a little bit less intense, so hopefully I can get that stuff done. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on this blog post. Guys, I'm super tempted to just like clean this entire studio and just pull everything out of it and just kind of like redo it, but I know deep down that's gonna take way too much time, and I have other stuff I have to do. I have a video to edit. I want to finish 3 paintings, so I don't, that's a lot of work for one day. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. So first off, that won't take long. You see her? I need to sign her. That won't take long, but I still need to finish this chick, and I need to finish that chick back there. And I kind of also want to record a new channel trailer, but I'm like, not much time, and look at this mess. This room is a wreck. Like, what in the heck am I gonna do? It's insane. But, guys, I really want to record my new channel trailer. I'm dying to do it, so I think I'm going to try to do that now. I haven't even had breakfast or water yet or anything, and yeah, I'm running on nothing but sleep. So basically, why am I rambling? I don't know. I'm in a weird mood. I don't know what to do. I don't know what kind of backdrop to do for my channel trailer. I'm tempted to go in the basement and just set up down there because, I mean, it's pretty empty down there. But, I mean, is that as interesting to you guys? Like, what do you guys think? I mean, you guys are probably people who already subscribed anyway, but what do you think about channel trailers and how people execute them? I mean, by the time you guys even can comment down below, I will probably have already filmed it anyway, if I decide to film it today. But, I don't know, I really kind of want to have her in the background though, but she's not finished. I kind of want to have those other pieces back there in it, but one of them's not finished. I don't know. Guys, I'm kind of not sure what to do, so I may film a couple different channel trailers and just kind of pick between them. I think that might be a safe bet, so let's do this thing. So I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. So here's my tripod, of course, my light. I have another light. Actually, I have 2 other lights. No, I have 3 other lights, but they're not set up, so I've just got that one light set up. But we've got a lot of natural light, which is super, super great. But just so you guys can see this piece and how she's going, like, she's been going pretty good. I gotta finish her up, and you've already seen this piece, I'm pretty sure. Have you seen her? Yeah, you saw her in the last vlog. But I also did some paint pours over the weekend, and I wanted to kind of show you guys those. So there's my favorite one. Like, look at all the colors, guys. It's so pretty. Here's this one. Look at those cells and those colors. Oh my god. Then there's this one. And there's this one, which I can't get the proper lighting, but look at this section. I love that section. Guys, what do? I think I want my lava lamp in the background too, but that thing takes a while to, start going. So I may just go ahead and get that set up, get that turned on. You guys even see what I'm doing? Ugh. Okay, now where's the switch? Where are you? There you are. Okay, so we're gonna get that thing started. Haven't turned it on in a while. But yeah, I don't know, I really need a new channel trailer because my channel trailer is like, what, 1 or 2 years old now, and it doesn't really properly represent my channel anymore. My channel has changed since then. But guys, look at this. Look at this drop cloth, okay? I used it for paint pouring. Ignore those crusty rags. But like, check. So, round. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Like even this drop cloth is gorgeous. No, you know what I'm saying? I think I've decided I'm just gonna take a lot of stuff out of here. And hope that Luna doesn't attack it. Let's see what I can do. Okay guys, I think I finally got it figured out. It's still messy, but the floor is not gonna be in it. Here's my setup. Now, the trick is going to be making sure this lighting doesn't put a ton of glare on any of these pieces. That's gonna be tricky, but that's what I'm gonna try. So, what do you guys think? It's gonna be somewhere. It's actually probably gonna be something like this. You can't even see the painting of me, but whatever, it's okay. I'll figure it out. Figure it out. Okay, so it was a little bit painful, but I finally finished recording my channel trailer, and I really hope that it turns out good because it was so many takes, and I don't even know if it's good or not, but I hope so. So here's the aftermath. The empty floor. My table's over there for now. And look at that mess. Really need to clean so bad. This might be a good opportunity for me to clean, but I have so much other stuff to do. But I'm gonna go eat lunch right now. So before I go, I just want to shout out my patrons. They're on the screen right now, and I just want to thank them so much for supporting me. They're always so super kind and sweet, and they help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for being patrons.